I'm not crazy about a sleep tracker that uses my noises. I tape my mouth shut. So, no, it's true.
That was the wrong time to take a drink of water, man.
Previously on TWiT. Tech News Weekly.
Joseph wrote a story about a way to take advantage of a flaw in SMS. Hackers are able to take over phone numbers in mere minutes and do it in a way that's incredibly simple.
Hands-on tech.
I had the honor and pleasure to have a camera sent to me from the folks at Sony, and it is the Sony A7S Mark III.
Windows Weekly.
So we got to talk about Apple. Could you guys talk about Apple?
We look at what AMD does. We look at what Apple does from a technical standpoint. We look at what they do from a marketing standpoint or from a product positioning standpoint. I think an Intel plus Microsoft plus the ecosystem push and campaign and strive for innovation, more so than even we had done over the last 5 years.
This Week in Google.
So you tape your mouth shut, and you're worried because it sounds weird when you're snoring.
No, there are
with
no
your mouth
sounds
taped
anymore.
TWiT.
Lisa says it's like sleeping with a mime. It seems like I'm headed towards some sort of bizarre fantasy.
Leo can't get up and he can't scream because his mouth is taped closed.